The world is an adventure waiting for you to experience. Maybe you are traveling alone because you didn't have friends willing to join you, or perhaps because you enjoy moments of solitude that traveling in groups doesn't offer. Maybe you have a personal bucket list of destinations and you are having difficulty finding a travel partner who holds the same passion as you for the places you desire to explore. In any case, check out these destinations that are welcoming to single travelers. Australia. Australia is a great destination for those who are looking for a variety of adventures. Many women travel alone in this country. From sunny beaches and snorkeling, to the excitement of big cities, Australia has unlimited options for the solo traveler. You can rent a variety of rooms and private apartments there as well, which means you can save money and live quite comfortably while on your travels. Costa Rica. It's hard to imagine a coastline more abundantly blessed than Costa Rica's, and nature's generosity is warmly extended to travelers. One of the world's most biodiverse nations, Costa Rica prioritizes wildlife preservation with a string of outdoor adventures on the menu and development balanced by green energy such as hydro and wind power. The hubs of Tamarindo, Santa Teresa, Puerto Viejo, La Fortuna and Nosara are particularly solo traveler-friendly places to start, and at friendly hostels such as Tamarindo Backpackers. Thailand. Thailand is a welcoming place for the solo traveler. Bangkok in particular is an amazing place to travel alone, yet you will find that you do not feel alone for long there, due to the many amazing people you will meet. Beautiful temples and amazing walking trails are among the many activities you can enjoy in this country. Tanzania. Tanzania has many rich experiences that await the solo traveler. Going on a safari is a must, but there are many other great adventures, such as hiking Kilimanjaro. Both places have many companies that offer group trips. You will find the people who live there very welcoming, and make you feel at home. Ireland. Ireland is a fun country for the individual who chooses to travel alone. Ireland is a fun country for the individual who chooses to travel alone. It is normal for women to be alone there, and there is no language barrier to face, which makes the journey a little more manageable. Even strangers are friendly, and those who are from Ireland will be happy to help you out if you need directions or ideas about what to do next. Take time to soak in the beautiful scenery that Ireland offers, and be sure to visit a few pubs while you are there. Japan. Japan is a wonderful country full of rich experiences. People there have a reputation of being welcoming to visitors, and you will have no trouble finding help when needed. Consider visiting some temples and museums there, and enjoy the tasty cuisine, which is generally healthy and light. Spain. Spain is another place to visit where solo travelers are not out of place. Hotels generally give you a reasonable rate when traveling alone, which is not the case in all countries. Short and extended study vacations abound in Spain, so it is a great place to travel alone when learning is one of your goals. Singapore. It used to be fashionable to dismiss Singapore. It used to be fashionable to dismiss Singapore as a sterile stopover city, but frankly, those travelers weren't trying hard enough. Singapore will be the best solo travel destination for culture. 21st century Singapore is a cultural and culinary melting pot, with world-class cultural institutions, space-age green spaces and a thrillingly diverse hotel and restaurant scene. What travelers invariably love most about Singapore are the dramatic contrasts. Historic Hindu temples sit at the feet of soaring skyscrapers, world-class museums have rainforest as their back garden, and crumbling 19th-century shophouses now house vintage boutiques and speakeasy-style cocktail dens. Thanks to a long history of migration, Singapore is one of Asia's most ethnically diverse, and racially integrated, cities, with significant Malay, Indian and Eurasian minorities alongside the 74% Chinese Singaporean majority. Traveling alone is an experience that will help you learn more about yourself, become comfortable in your own skin, and gain a new confidence that will always stay with you. Check out our Solo Traveler, Get Inspired by Blogs to Travel the World video link will be in the description. Consider trying at least one of the locations on this list if you desire to learn more about the world, and have a wonderful, unforgettable time on your trip for one.